Hi, today we're going to take up about addition and subtraction of dissimilar fractions. Let's do adding dissimilar fractions. So what do you mean by dissimilar fractions? So when we are talking of dissimilar fractions, these are fractions with different denominators. Here in 3/4, our denominator here is 4. This one. And in 1/2, our denominator is 2. So how are we going to add these two fractions having different denominators? So to add two fractions having different denominators, we have some steps to be followed. So the first step, all you're going to do is you're going to change 3/4 and 1/2 to similar fractions by finding the least common denominator, or what we call as the LCD or the LCM, or the least common multiple of these two denominators, which is 2 and 4. So we can find the LCM of two numbers by using any of the three methods. It can be a listing method, it can be a prime factorization using a factor tree, or it can be a continuous division. Here we're going to try listing method. What are we going to do? We're going to list down the multiples. You're going to skip count. Okay, so by 2, you're going to write down or list down at least 2 or more multiples. Okay, but if you can see already the first smaller number which is common to them, that will be our LCM, or the least common multiple. Let's try 2. So we have 2, 4. So we're going to have only 2 multiples there. Let's try 4. 4. So we can add 8, 12, but here we can see already a common multiple, and this will be our LCM. So we're going to write it here. So that will become our least common denominator. What will be the next step after identifying the LCD? The next step, you're going to divide the LCD by the given denominator and then multiply the result by the given numerator. So it means that for this one, 4, you're going to divide this by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. Then the quotient will be multiplied to our numerator. So again, 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 3. The answer is equal to 3. So here again, the same step. We have 4. You're going to divide it by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 times 1. So 2 times 1, the answer is equal to 2. That's it. We have already the same denominator. So our denominator now is 4. So we have now 3/4 plus 2/4. So we can add now because the denominators are the same. So 3 plus 2, you're going to add now the numerator. 3 plus 2 is equal to, add the numerator. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, then copy the common denominator, and that is 4. But look at our answer. Our answer is 5/4, and this is an improper fraction. So when we are talking of improper fraction, the numerator is bigger than the denominator, and we can change this. We can reduce this answer into lowest term by changing this improper fraction into a mixed number. Okay? So what are we going to do? We're going to divide 5 by 4. So that will become 5 divided by 4. So 5 divided by 4. So what will be our answer here? So this will be 1. Then 1 times 4 is equal to 4. So let's subtract. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So your quotient here will become your whole number. This one, your quotient will become your whole number. Your remainder here will become your numerator, and copy the denominator. So 5/4, if you're going to change this into a mixed form, this will become 1 and 1/4. Okay. try subtracting dissimilar fractions. We have example, we're going to follow the same steps. So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to change 3/4 and 1/2 again to similar fractions by finding the least common denominator, or what we call as the LCD or LCM, which is the least common multiple of 2 and 4. Okay? So we're going to use again the listing method here. 2, 4, and we have here 4. So we can see already their common multiple, which is 4. And we're going to use that again as our LCD. Okay? So the next step that we're going to do, we're going to divide the LCD with the given denominator, then multiply the result with the given numerator here. We're going to divide. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 3. The answer is equal to 3, and we're going to write it here. Next, we're going to divide this one. 4 divided by 2. So the answer is equal to 2. Then multiply that with our numerator. 2 times 1, the answer is equal to 2. We are going to put it here. Now, since that the denominators are already the same, we can subtract now the numerator. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, and copy the denominator. So our answer is equal to 1/4. Can we reduce 1/4 into lowest term? No, because the numerator is already 1. And so since that the numerator is 1, therefore the answer is already in the lowest term. Okay, so do you know now how to add and subtract these similar fractions? So it's just very easy. All you're going to do, first you're going to find for the LCM, and that LCM will be used as your LCD. Next step, you're going to divide the denominators and then multiply the numerator. So if you change that already into similar fractions, add or subtract the numerator and copy the common denominator, but see to it that your answers will be reduced into lowest term if it is possible. So that's all for now. We will see again later. Bye.